everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another 2-page Tuesday layout. So today I'm going to use that very busy blue paper as my background, that floral paper. It's the Jen Hadfield Reaching Out collection, and it's the stick together paper. And then I grabbed this polka dot paper from Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Ladybug Swiss Dot. So this layout is really focusing on that little duck, not that little rubber duck, not the pictures behind. So that red paper is going to pop him on this page. So I usually, before I do these 2 pages, I kind of decide on my photo arrangement so you guys don't have to go through the pain of that, because it takes a while and it's just moving things around. So then once I get how I want my photos to go on the layout, then I can start thinking about the design behind it, and that's what's sort of happening at the moment. And I only had one piece of that red paper, so I had to be able to make that stretch across the 2 pages here. So I cut that basically not quite in half. It's a little bit less than half, I believe, if I remember correctly, to stretch that across. And that kind of depends on how much of border you want. See, I keep changing it because it was not quite the same. It kind of depends on how much of border you want on the top and the bottom of your photos and how many photos you have and all of that kind of thing. But these are from my phone, so they're not really 4x6 photos. They're a little bit smaller than that. They're 4 inches wide, but they're not the 6 inches high. All right, so I'm just going to add this in here. Now I'll add that on to the top of both pieces of paper. And I love this busy, beautiful background. This was on my way up, or what the adventures were of this day or this weekend were at a friend's cabin for a girlfriend's weekend. And what happened is there's a cute little joke about ducks between my boyfriend and I from our very first date. So I happened to be on Amazon and saw this cute little red heart duck, and I bought it for him and just gave it to him as kind of a memory of that. And when I went away on this girls' weekend, we had lunch right before I left, and he handed me his duck and said, "I'm going to give this to you for the weekend just so you don't forget me," basically, was which would have been hard to do. So anyway, then I started taking pictures of the duck and sending them to him, texting them to him as the duck's adventures. And I was calling the duck Ducky, but actually he told me that the duck's name is Doug, which will come into play later. So yes, we are in our 50s and are completely silly, but just a fun little thing here. So the reason knowing the duck's name is important is this is going to be called Doug's Adventures. So I grabbed these green corrugated alphas, and they are from Pebbles, and it's the ABC stickers is what they're called. I have had these forever and haven't used them up yet. I've probably had them 10 years. So glad to be getting them on a paper. They're kind of a more off green towards olive color, so I think that's a little bit hard to match. But I liked how it popped the green in the background of some of these photos because we were up in the woods. So just a nod to that. And then the alpha was so large, I didn't have room to use both greens. So I grabbed these foam title stickers from American Crafts Stickers Hello Joy. I don't know which collection this went to. I suspect it was either a Chamel or an Amy Tangerine one, but I don't know that for sure. So anyway, so I grabbed the adventure title, and now the title of this is Doug's Adventures, and it was really easy because I didn't have to do the word adventure. And I've used up another one. That's one of those things that I'm trying to use up, is these title stickers. I really like them, but I have a hard time using them. I'm not quite sure why. And I apologize, guys. I'm a little off to the right here, so I think it's okay though, because I don't really have anything on the far right side of the paper. So I think we'll be good. So I want some journaling room here because I want to talk about why we did this, why I did these silly photos. I'm also thinking, maybe I can find a journaling piece. That's a Paige Evans #sticker book. So I go back to these LE Studio blue label stickers. I believe they do have these on their website. As I'm doing the voiceover on this in November, they have them on their website. So when you see this in, I think January is when you'll see this. Maybe still December, but they may still have these left, and they do have them in other colors. So I'm adding 3 of these. So I have, because I don't have one big spot, 3 little spots for dates and journaling. Then I grabbed this Dear Lizzie hashtag sticker book because I remembered that she had some navy and I wanted some embellishments here, but because these are coming from different collections, I believe this was from my Chamel Best of Both Worlds Stash Created Best of Both Worlds kit. So I found this little floral here, and it is clear. Normally I put white stickers behind that, but I actually really kind of like the way it looked there on the just on the paper, because I'm just holding it over the paper trying to decide, is this going to work or not. Sometimes you really can't see those stickers, but I think you really can here. And then I'm also looking for other pieces now. So I found that one sticker that talks about Friday. This one talks about Saturday. There was a Thursday one because I was here on a Thursday, but that one didn't work. So instead I grabbed that blue sticker there. The circles are kind of rounding things out around the hard edge square and rectangular journaling labels there. So the one sticker says count the stars, the other says laugh, just to kind of indicate that we're kind of, we were relaxing, I guess. Relaxing, laughing a lot. There were 10 of us there, 9 or 10 of us, I don't remember. And I'm not going to take the time to count them in my head right now. So anyway, not important. Added in, now I found these little asterisks in like green and navy here. And so I'm going to add those around. Like I just added the navy one there. It's just a little extra layered embellishment there. Thinking about, are there any like phrase stickers that I might be able to use? Because I like using phrase stickers, but I never use the phrase stickers. So I found that one there that said remember. And it's kind of in that greeny, dark kind of green color that's in the leaves of that floral piece. So I liked getting that in. Just looking through, what can I find? What can I find? What can I find? Looking at more of those stickers there. There I found the one that says hello you. Just because it was, about the duck there. There we go. There's the green ones. They have, and I think a lot of these are were made for planners, but they also make great scrapbooking embellishments. So adding that green one there. And then I had a peachy one over on the left corner there. All right, now just adding these foam dots in from the Pebbles Puffy stickers here. It was a flag, but I just used them individually. They're a little bit different than enamel dot because they're actually puffy, but that's kind of fun. I wanted white and I don't have any other white dots, so that worked great. And just finishing up these clusters with 3 of each. All right, there's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well. I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.